Okay, so good Sahej, are you having or Rajvi, are you having any more queries?
No, sir.
And Rajvi?
No.
Okay, so now let's understand about last thing. So you know about the conditions, like there are some conditions like true. You have used the true and false blocks, but you have not used the not and or block. You have also used this one block. So these block I use, I am going to tell. So first of all, the not block, it is a very important block. So this not block is basically the block that turns false into true. Means it works opposite. Like the name is not, but it does not work as a negative. It works as positive. So this is basically for turning the conditions into true, like I did. Not. Okay, suppose. So this. So you now I want, like, if my global variable will be 0, like it is 0 already. If my variable will be 0, then I want the label 2.text as blank. Now, firstly, to do this, what I need to do? Who can tell that what we need to do to execute that then? What we need to do in if? You can raise your hand or you can unmute or say. No one? Rajvi, Gursaij, Kush, Tanisi. Anyone?
What are you saying about execute?
Okay, so let me tell you. So the thing was, we need to make the if condition as true. Then only we can execute then. Please concentrate on this part. We need to make the if condition true. Then we can execute then. Okay, remember? So now this is not true. ये true थोड़ी है. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं बना. If get global name, then so this will not work. So for this condition is not block made. If we put this, now it is now not and then get global variable. So what it is doing? This not is turning, if there is false, then it will make it true. And if nothing condition is there, then also it makes true. So means this if is getting true only. कोई भी condition हो, if को तो true ही मिलेगा. Because we have used not block. And if will get true, then will be executed. So for this function is not block made. Understood? uh, you can please unmute and say if you understood, then I will continue. Please give me response, anyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Now coming to the and block. Okay, now one question to you. What is this button? What is the proper name for this? I told you in the class earlier. What is the proper name for this button? Nobody remembers? That's not good. It's very bad. You should remember. So the name of this,
You else if something you have said before.
no, the proper name for this is mutator. I told you now, mutator. The proper name is mutator. Okay, write this. It's very important. So this mutator is used to do what? This you remember? This mutator is used to add the condition or the connectors. See, like this. So this AND block, let's come to AND block again. This AND block is used for making more conditions. Like I say, I am deleting this. I say if duplicate this. Yeah, so now I say if label one dot text. Okay, wait. Okay, let's leave it. I don't know why it's creating issue today. Yeah. If get global name is equals to, let's move attaching. Okay, for example, we never do it like this. For example, because other blocks are not attaching, I don't know why. Yeah, so I do that if my variable is equals to my variable in every condition, then this case should be executed. So like if we want more than one condition, then we use this AND block. Like suppose I want key, I have one label and then I added one more label. Now I want कि इस लेबल का टेक्स्ट भी ब्लैंक हो और इस लेबल का भी टेक्स्ट ब्लैंक हो, तब तब लेबल 1 का टेक्स्ट हो जाए हेलो. सो वी कैन डू एनीथिंग ना इन दिस. हम दो बार कंडीशन तो नहीं बना सकते इफ में.
Sir,
यस.
sir, do we have to do this?
No, you don't have to do this. This is for explanation. So,
Okay, sir.
like this, you can add here where label 2.text is equal to label 1.text, like this. So this is the use of AND block. So any queries in AND block? Please tell if there is any query in AND block.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, there is no query, but जैसे हमने ये बनाया था, कोडिंग जो हमने की थी, उसमें बैकपैक पे क्या करना है?
नहीं, बैकपैक का कोई यूज नहीं है. You have understood like for what backpack is used. बैकपैक का आपको वर्क समझ आ गया? हेलो गुरसहेज.
यस सर.
आपको बैकपैक का वर्क तो समझ आ गया ना कि किस चीज के लिए वो यहाँ पे है MIT में.
यस सर.
हाँ, तो दैट इज ओनली इम्पोर्टेंट क्योंकि आज की ऐप में वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड बैकपैक. आज के ऐप में बैकपैक यूज नहीं हुआ है एंड वी विल नॉट यूज इट इन एनी ऐप. इट इज जस्ट फॉर कि अगर आप बहुत ही बड़ी बड़ी कोडिंग करते हो एंड लाइक अगर कभी कभार आपको डर है कि लाइक योर डाटा कैन बी लॉस्ट, आप इंटरनेट में थोड़ा टाइम से इश्यू है, सो यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी ऑल द ब्लॉक्स टू बैकपैक and then it will be saved. So for this it is. Okay, so now let's come to OR block. OR block is also used for making more conditions, पर हर बार one ही condition execute होती है. Like I did if one minute. Let's create a variable. Yeah. So this is a condition I have made. So in this case, what will be happening? I first use a logic block equals to वाला, okay? और उसके अंदर मैंने one connector में और block लगाया है. Second connector is empty only. Means in second I have not used OR block. I have used a max block. So now what it
Sir?
is doing, yeah,
Sir, can you explain again?
yeah, I can explain. And don't do this, okay? So
Sir,
or
actually, I want to go somewhere and can I leave the meeting?
yeah, you can leave. I'll send you the recording.
Okay, sir. Thank
And
you.
in only 5 minutes, I am ending the session. Okay, so no problem. I'll send you the recording. Yeah. So now this OR block is used like we said if global name 1 and global name 2 are equal to 0. मतलब कि अगर global name 1 या 2 में से कोई भी 0 होगा तो हमारा लेबल का टेक्स्ट हो जाएगा हेलो. अब ग्लोबल नेम तो 0 है ही और ग्लोबल नेम 2 नहीं है. तो ग्लोबल नेम अगर दोनों में से एक भी इसको कंडीशन ट्रू मिल जाए then net execute this case. Okay, so this is all for today. Now you can ask for your queries. You all three only came again. Put a message in the group, but they didn't came. Yeah, you can ask for your queries. I have unmuted you all. And if there is no query, you can leave the session. Okay, bye.